Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at you should do the front flip, back flip, or draw, dude. You should draw. Just go, bye, brother. Alright, close the door. No. Just go. I'm just gonna be looking at my monsters right here. Okay? Stop. Hey. Stop being sus. Get out! Alright.
You get out.
No, brother. Alright. So, Garden of Amistane. This is one that I've been wanting to do forever. Garden of Amistane is insane. So, this is the title. And want to see my remake title? Way better than this one. So this is my remake for my title. I like the trees over there, the steamer, which is a creature later on in the veil. All of this. And when we flip over, we get to the steamer. These creatures are crazy. They have portals. So this one kind of like uses magical like spirit balls, like spirit bomb type of things, and will kind of suck you into them, and then it'll launch the player into the sky, and also it'll just try to claw you and try to teleport or like go woo, 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 and kind of go at you. But yeah, it's super cool. And then time for the remake of that, which, tell me which one's better, this one or the remake over here. This one. Cly is the main character, so if you want to see Cly, he's right there. This is the steamer. So out of the whole list, there's 62 pages total. The sketchbook, this is the sketchbook of creatures in my game. I hope any game company is listening, even Capcom. Colors. So the body of these colors is torso, portal, teeth, eyes, legs, and arms. And then this right here, this kind of tannish yellow, is the tail and horns tusks. So yeah, I think the steamer is one of my favorites. Even its portals it goes in are pretty cool. And then this is the old version. And let me tell you when my old drawing came out. March 17th, 2022. And I'm not going to tell you my age because that's stupid. Stupid little liar. Yeah, let's hardcore not go there yet. Sorry, I have a cough a little bit. And if you could hear my voice, it's a little messed up. So, next off is Barrel Guy. His remake literally looks like Pinocchio. Dollaphobia. I made that up. But yeah, kind of reminds me of Pinocchio. Hi, MJ. This is Barrel Guy. So when you shoot arrows at him and stuff, he'll explode. He's kind of easy. And yes, you could climb creatures. Kind of gives you the vibe of Shadow of the Colossus, Dragon's Dogma 2, all those games where you could climb creatures. Climbable, yes. Challenge rating is Beast. Beast equals to a challenge rating. So, Beast is the challenge of challenge ratings. So, simple is Wolf, which is simple challenge rating is Wolf. Normal challenge rating is Brute. Challenge rating challenge rating is Beast. Mental challenge rating is Dragon, which is mental. And this is crazy art right here. Like, look at that design. That hat looks sick, right? And just that. And look at the hat from this. Compared to the remake, bro looks more epic with this. And even his tiny little knife right there. So yes. I didn't make the explosion for the remake. I just kind of want to show you the arrows go straight at him. Sorry, dead people. Barrels just ready there to explode. And I hope they didn't die by this creature. Hope it was just by like a bomb barrel fell like an asteroid. Yeah. Flashback. Oh, la, la. Alright, anyways. Up next, we got this sucky little liar. I didn't make a remake for this one. Liars. I'm sorry, I haven't. If you want to see, I found a saber-tooth cat's tooth. Sorry. I don't know why I did that. Alright, well, if you saw this, you're like, dee-da-dee-do. I need to go to the bathroom. I'm just kidding. Anyways, the Cyclops. I'm skipping that one because this one often isn't that cool looking. But this one over here is insane. I think I would rather prefer drawing this one. So this one is the remake. You can already tell by the designs. See this little player against this Cyclops, against this giant. He has a club, and then the remake has an eyebrow, and he doesn't. He just looks mad for some reason. This guy looks like he's chilling, like, hey dude, ready to be smashed and stuff. So yeah. Anyways, if I was explaining right, I would have talked English. And perhaps my brother will keep you entertained while I forgot an artwork piece.
Hi guys.
Don't be weird, brother. Actually, chill out on being weird, okay?
Okay.
Nobody likes to see cringe men, except cringe people.
Hehe.
Wait, what? Why? They're harmless. What did they do? Alright, anyways. Next up, if you're right, you would think of a worm creature being ugly as it could be. Now, I would prefer not being scared or anything because this one's sick. Don't worry. So, if you see right here is MJ. Goodbye. Yeah.
Spider-Man.
Oh, Spider-Man. Cool.
Spider-Man.
MJ is chilling like
I'm very
he always
cold.
would. Alright, you're very cold.
You catch me.
So this one is gonna bite the dust. This one is gonna bite the dust. The player will make him bite the dust. He's just holding the player's holding the knife right above him. He's about to stab the worm creature with the dust effect, leaving the sand. And if you see the remake over here, compared to this, the normal version, the player's climbing. I just wanted the player jumping onto the worm and stabbing it in the face. As this one doesn't have any dust trail like this one. This one has a dust trail right there. And this one doesn't. Of course it doesn't. I didn't make a remake for this one. Oh no, bro. Yeah, it looked like it had a fat nose when I remade this one like 5 times. Couldn't get it quite right. I was like, dude, this looks ugly. So I just gave up and drew this one instead of that. This one is way better. It definitely beats this one. This one is the Salamandillo. The Salamando has no armor like this one does. This one actually has armor. These are its colors. Don't think that's blood, that's paint. I hope you don't think that's blood. The red is throat, legs, and belly. And that dark tannish is armor and the body. And it kind of just likes chilling. And this one is carryable. Yes, it is. You can just pick it up, throw it into the water, say goodbye to its whole self, and see it die in the brine. Alright. Challenge rating is brute, so it's a normal challenge rating. And, well, this one also is in the sketchbook. The sketchbook is really insane as this one over here. And look, it launches itself at people. Amazing, right? Amazing. Just great. Just excellent. Can't you believe? Well, hope you liked today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.